In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Proforma invoice in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just need a little refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the platform with ease. Let's get started by logging into your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, which acts as your command center. From here, you can manage all aspects of your financial transactions, but today our focus is on creating a Proforma invoice. First, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on Sales. This section is where you can manage your sales transactions, including invoices, estimates, and sales orders. It's the central hub for anything revenue-related in your Zoho Books account. Now, within the Sales section, you'll find a tab labeled Invoices. Click on that. This will take you to a page displaying all your existing invoices. Here, you can create new invoices, manage existing ones, and, importantly for us, create a Proforma invoice. On this page, you should see an option to add a Proforma invoice. Typically, this involves clicking on a New Invoice button or a similar prompt. Once you click this, a new window or page will open where you can enter the details of your Proforma invoice. Creating a Proforma invoice in Zoho Books is much like creating a regular invoice. You'll need to fill in the client's details, which includes the customer's name, billing address, and any other pertinent information. Next, add the products or services you're invoicing for. Make sure to include descriptions, quantities, and prices for each item. This helps ensure clarity and prevents any misunderstandings with your client. As you enter these details, Zoho Books will automatically calculate the totals for you, including any taxes if applicable. This feature is a real time saver and helps eliminate any potential errors in manual calculations. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, take a moment to review your Proforma invoice. Double-check all the information to ensure accuracy. This is crucial because a Proforma invoice acts as a preliminary bill of sale and sets the expectations for your client. After you've verified everything is correct, you can save the invoice. Depending on your needs, you might also want to download it as a PDF or email it directly to your client from within Zoho Books. This flexibility in delivery options is one of the many reasons why Zoho Books is a favored tool among businesses. And that's it! You've successfully created a Proforma invoice in Zoho Books. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes managing your invoicing tasks a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips on using Zoho Books efficiently.